The electric field in case of multiple charges. So here due to charge Q1, suppose we are trying to calculate at point P, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 by R1P square, and this R1P cap is the here unit vector and R1P is the position. Similarly for the E2 also in the same way. So successively En also will be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Qn by Rnp square into Rnp cap. This is the unit vector. So total sum of this electric field is the sum of individual electric field at the point P. So that is we can have utilized summation here. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation I equal to 1 to n, and this Qi by Rip square into Rip cap. That is the unit vector.